Many companies in the pharmaceutical industry have chosen MRPeasy as their manufacturing software. MRPeasy integrates the sales, materials, and production planning, reporting, procurement, and stock activities into one complete system, which provides great transparency and helps to meet strict industry regulations. Across several sites, you can easily manage your raw materials and products inventory thanks to a very detailed stock overview provided by stock lot and serial number tracking, expiry dates management, and tracking of the exact internal storage location of each good. Even more, special functions like multi-level production and parametrical bill of materials help to effectively manage your products, where a base product might be packaged into tens of different containers for the consumer. When planning production, the bill of materials functionality, which acts as a formula, accurately calculates materials requirements, after which the system helps to optimally use your raw ingredients inventory by proposing to consume the ingredients that are closest to expiry. While the production manager has detailed overview of each manufacturing order's material status, if they are in stock, if they have been ordered, when they will be arriving, where they are placed in stock, the lot numbers, and more. Then at the same time, the purchasing manager has a detailed overview of what, when, and from which vendor must be purchased. For each of your machines, MRPeasy accurately schedules production operations while considering constraints like capacity, materials availability, and correct order of operations. In addition, the production planner can even use drag-and-drop rescheduling in the visual production calendars and Gantt charts. The various options for real-time online reporting allow your workers to see exactly the correct amount of information about each operation and product without needing paperwork. As workers report their progress, they can, in addition to recording start and stop times, report materials consumption, over or under production, and even the amount of waste generated. At the end of production, all the important details of the production run are automatically gathered into one place. How much was produced, which quantities of ingredients were used by lot numbers, the target lot number of products, serial numbers of products, when operations were performed, on which machines, by which workers, what was the actual production cost, which customers received products from this production run, and more. For your sales team, estimating functions quickly tell how much products will cost and when they can be delivered. Plus, for the project managers, the sales pipeline and other order tracking functionalities provide complete real-time transparency of the status of each order so you can provide a higher level of customer service. In addition, there are many other useful functions like quality control, barcoding, product returns management, and much more, all in one place. The best part is that MRPeasy does not require any installation. You can easily access it from anywhere using your web browser. Streamline your business with MRPeasy. Sign up for your free trial today.